how to stop signing into Google Chrome when you sign into Google services. This tutorial shows you how to prevent automatic browser sign-in when accessing Gmail or other Google apps. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots menu icon in the top right corner. Following that, tap on Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Sync and Google Services. Moving forward, you'll see various sync and sign-in options for Chrome. Afterwards, look for the option called Allow Chrome Sign-in or Sign In to Chrome. In addition to that, you'll see a toggle switch next to this option. Once there, tap on the toggle to turn off Allow Chrome Sign-in. Subsequently, Chrome will no longer automatically sign you into the browser when you sign into Google services, like Gmail or YouTube. Moreover, this means you can use Google services without being signed into Chrome itself. Afterwards, you can still manually sign into Chrome if you want to sync bookmarks and passwords. Then scroll down to see additional privacy options like Make Searches and Browsing Better. Within this menu, you can also disable other Google Services integrations if you prefer more privacy. Alternatively, if you want to prevent all automatic sign-ins, you can also clear your saved passwords from Chrome settings. Once you've disabled this feature, you'll have more control over when Chrome syncs your data. Then, remember that turning this off doesn't sign you out of Google services, it only stops the automatic Chrome browser sign-in. And that's it. If this Chrome privacy guide helped you control your sign-in preferences, leave a like, subscribe for more browser security tips, and tap the bell icon to get notified. See you in the next one.